Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. About a week now, the video went very viral where Ipob in Ghana were having a meeting, and one of the people who were arrested in the vehicle quickly made a video saying that everybody should try and share as much as they can because they were arrested for having a meeting. Fast forward to now, a lot of information have gone online and offline, and this is what the indigenous people of Biafra are saying, and you could see what they're doing right now. Honestly, maybe we should start looking at these people in 3D. They have so much messages they're sending to the world out there, and I think the world should actually take a microscopic look at them so that you don't judge them from a distance. Before we go to the newspaper to find out what they are doing right now in Ghana, would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, members of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, have embarked on a massive community improvement exercise in Ghana. They were cited cleaning up filthy drains, canals, while calling on the Ghanaian government to release their members in return. Oh my God. The Ghanaian police last month stormed their meeting venue and arrested scores. Sources revealed to Genesis that the arrest is not unconnected to a high rate of criminal activities around the vicinity. Criminals hide under IPOB meeting to plot their evil schemes, one of the sources noted. IPOB DOS now reacted. He said, look, meanwhile, the Directorate of State DOS has reacted to the arrest. In a statement signed by its deputy head, that's Mazi Chukwuemeka Nzurumike, it condemned in strong terms their arrest and continued detention. That means, as at this time of filing the report, they're still very much in detention. Now, let's hear the full statement, and this is what it says. Attention, please. The Directorate of State of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, wishes to familiarize all and sundry that relentless efforts are being deployed in ensuring the total release of the innocent Biafran citizens with legal domiciliation in Ghana. Their freedom was arbitrarily violated recently in what appeared to be in connivance with the oppressive regime in Abuja. Biafrans in Ghana have always cherished their host country, known for its remarkable avowed qualities of civility among countries of sub-Saharan Africa. However, the DOS condemns in strong terms, as Directorate of State of Biafra, that's Indigenous People of Biafra, condemns in strong terms this cruel treatment recently meted out with insularity and parochialism, disregarding the rule of law. As a matter of urgency, we call on our friendly nation, Ghana, to countermand this unsusceptible approach that reduces the Ghanaian graceful creed that sums up in defense of freedom, rights, and a crave for true humility. Biafrans will continue to remain democratically oriented, be law-abiding, and promote peace in all host countries around the globe. Thank you, and may God bless Biafra. Mazi Chukwuemeka Nzurumike, Deputy Head of the Directorate of State, DHOD. Okay. Wow. This is quite commending, I must say, when it comes to the issue of, can you imagine still doing community service? Wow. But let's look at this critically. One of the challenges I've realized about an organization known as Indigenous People of Biafra, that's a very, very, very broad organization where they have members scattered all over the world. I've seen some of them, carrying their logos, the flags, their uniforms in Japan, in China, and Germany, in all over. They identify with that group. Now, imagine with this number of vast persons all over the world in one umbrella. you will still get to see some persons who will not align. It's just normal. Let's tell ourselves the truth. You see things like we are all Nigerians, but there will still see some Nigerians that flying the colors very high. The likes of them here Nacho, the likes of them Whiskey, Davido, Tiwa Savage, the likes of although this one is a Nigerian British, that's a Joshua. Yes, Joshua. But then you still see some persons who are not making Nigerians proud. With their activities, they make Nigerians feel so terrible. They smear the name of Nigeria. Now that's the country. So when you have a crowd of persons very big, you still see some persons who will still go out of the way and try to paint the picture very bad. Okay, so now these guys are probably having a meeting. All right, I do really do not know, but based on information that got on our decks was the fact that they said they were having a meeting. But the source that claimed anonymity, who doesn't want to mention once his name mentioned, said that ever since they noticed them having meetings, that the level of criminality in that area increased. But then why zero down on them? Except of course they've done the investigation and they're now hiding under the name IPOB. But that's the same thing that happened also during the surge in criminality in Imo State, in Anambra State, in most of the southeastern states, where they keep shouting UGM, UGM. It was later the likes of the governors like Governor Hope Uzodinma later found out that this thing is more political than IPOB. In fact, he was the first person that exonerated IPOB, saying IPOB may not be the UGMs. As events kept on unfolding, they now found out that it wasn't really IPOB, there was just some group of persons. We even had names like Mother Biafra, Motherland, and Biafra Mother Warrior. Something so different, so many names coming up. So it's almost a norm that whenever something wants to go very crazy, people look at, okay, what's this organization? Okay, let's hide under the auspices of this organization. I'm not exonerating them. I'm only saying that for them to even come all out, cleaning drainages, they did not go flying flags, insisting that they will break anything out or they will spoil anything. They were very abiding in their ways, cleaning drainage, doing community service, begging, pleading with the government of Ghana to please release their members. They were just having only meetings. Okay, well, and this is quite, if you ask me, it's quite commendable. But I feel, going forward after the community meetings, community services that they're doing, like cleaning up the drainage, they should take it a step further and much higher by going through it legally. If they got lawyers, they should begin to file for bail and find out what it is they've done. If need be, take them to court, and so that they can go through the legal processes of letting them go. Of course, if this doesn't work, they should try the legal process. But I feel it's quite commendable, being that they're talking to the government of the day, say, please let our members go. And of course, the US have also made it clear to them also that, look, we know Ghana as a country that uphold democracy, and they see Ghana as their brother state as well, and they should please, in honor of their, democratically woven area, they should please release their members. Let's meet in our conversation. What's your take on this?